Hello again, it's 10:30 and we would officially be open for business, and as normal, I wouldn't be completely set up because I really never am. But those of you who know me, I know I fluff throughout the entire event. So this is another category that Plaza Studio has. It's our makeup. And this is more directed toward the Synogen's makeup and skincare line. We have a long-wearing, non-transferring, sweat-proof, water-resistant products. So these are some of our lovely models that you have probably know. Some of the pictures are, actually all these pictures are by Yasmina, who you also know. I always like to use our clients, and the lovely Yasmina is fantastic as a photographer. So the Lip Sense is what the line is known for because it is a long-wearing lipstick that does not transfer, does not come off, does not transfer on your performances, and will last you from the beginning to the end of your day. It is a minimum of 4 hours, maximum of 18-hour wear. There's lots more information on our YouTube channel or on the website, but this is a look at the Lip Sense colors, glosses. They also have shadows. All the white ones are permanent. All the black ones over here are our limited edition Lip Sense, shadow, and glosses. These are our retired color, meaning Synogen's no longer has them because they were limited edition, but I do. And then we have all kinds of foundation colors. These are some other limited edition colors that I haven't cracked open for swatching, but probably will. We've got Eye Candy, which is your performance glitter makeup. We will not be carrying this anymore because Synogen's has brought out glitter lines that are amazing. I have all kinds of swatches. So if you have questions and you want to see something closer, let me know and we'll do that in the comments. I want to keep the videos short. So Synogen's is skincare and color, hair care, body, everything. I'll put swatches in the comments. And if you want to know something specific, we can work privately or we can work on the comments, which might be more fun, interactive, like it would be if we were in person. What else can I tell you? That's the gist. All right, guys, please interact. It makes it way more fun for all of us. All right, have a good one. More in a bit.